Hello students, how are you doing? Today we will study about human eye, defects of vision and how we can correct them. So as we know that eye is a most valuable and sensitive sense organ. यह हमें आसपास की चीज़ों को देखने में मदद करती है। मानव नेत्र प्रकाश का उपयोग करता है तथा हमारे चारों ओर की वस्तुओं को देखने के लिए हमें समर्थ बनाता है। इसकी संरचना में एक लेंस होता है। What is the function of the lens in a human eye? How do the lens used in the spectacles correct the defects of vision? So in this video we will study about this topic. Human eye एक कैमरे की तरह है. Its lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen called retina. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea. So light की किरणें कॉर्निया से आई के अंदर आती हैं. The eyeball is spherical in shape with diameter of about 2.3 cm. The eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. Rods and cones are the cells in retina. Retina के अंदर cells होते हैं जिसे rods और cones बोलते हैं. They are light sensitive. Rods responds to the intensity of light. Cones are sensitive to bright light. They respond to color. There are around 125 million rods and cones. The cell generates signals which are transmitted to the brain through the optical nerve. ये सिग्नल जनरेट करते हैं जो कि हमारे ब्रेन की तरफ जाते हैं थ्रू ऑप्टिकल नर्व. ऑप्टिकल नर्व की मदद से. You can see the figure of human eye. Next, what is near point or the least distance of distinct vision? It is a minimum distance at which objects can be seen most distinctively without strain, जिससे हम ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएँ और देख पाएँ. इसकी वैल्यू 25 सेंटीमीटर होती है. द रेंज ऑफ ह्यूमन विजन इज़ 25 सेंटीमीटर टू इन्फिनिटी, वेयर द नियर पॉइंट इज़ 25 सेंटीमीटर and the far point is infinity. So we can see in between 25 centimeter to infinity. Next, what is accommodation? Accommodation is the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length. The focal length can be changed with the help of ciliary muscles. The focal length of eye lens cannot be decreased beyond a certain limit. To see an object comfortably and distinctively, you must hold it about 25 centimeters from the eye. Next, we will study about the defects of vision and how we can correct them. दृष्टि दोष तथा उनका संशोधन. कभी कभी नेत्र धीरे धीरे समंजन क्षमता खो सकते हैं. ऐसी स्थितियों में व्यक्ति वस्तुओं को आराम से नहीं देख पाते. नेत्र में अपवर्तन दोषों के कारण दृष्टि धुंधली हो जाती है. The vision becomes blurred due to refractive defects of the eye. There are mainly three common defects of vision. These are myopia or near-sightedness, निकट दृष्टि दोष. Second is hypermetropia or far-sightedness, दीर्घ दृष्टि दोष. Third is presbyopia. Okay, so what is myopia? Myopia is also known as near-sightedness. A person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant object distinctively. A person with this defect has the far point nearer than infinity. Such a person may see clearer up to a distance of few meters. Distant objects are not clearly visible. It is corrected by using concave lens. As you can see in the figure, in a myopic eye, image of distant object is formed in front of the retina and not on the retina. The far point of a myopic eye is less than infinity. Now how we can correct this defect? Concave lens is placed in front of the eye and it forms a virtual image of distant object at far point of myopic eye. So in this way we can correct this problem. This defect may arise due to excessive curvature of eye lens or elongation of the eyeball. A concave lens of suitable power will bring the image back to the retina and thus the defect is corrected. Next is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as far-sightedness. A person with hypermetropia can see distant object clearly but cannot see the nearby object distinctively. The near point for the person is farther away from the normal near point 25 cm. Such a person has to keep reading material much beyond 25 cm from the eye for comfortable reading. So hypermetropia में हम nearby object को clearly नहीं देख पाते. The near point of the eye it moves away from 25 cm. 25 cm से ज़्यादा हो जाती है. Image is formed behind the retina. और image retina के पीछे बनता है, behind the retina. This is because the light rays from a closely object are focused at a point behind the retina. This defect arises because the focal length of the eye is too long or the eyeball has become too small. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens of appropriate power. Eyeglasses with converging lens provide the additional focusing power required for forming the image on the retina. So इस डिफेक्ट को ठीक करने के लिए हम कन्वेक्स लेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज प्रेसबायोपिया. Presbyopia is a defect of vision due to which an old person, aged person, cannot see the nearby objects clearly due to less power of accommodation of the eye. The near point of old person having presbyopia gradually recedes and become much more than 25 cm. So जैसे जैसे हमारी उम्र होती है ये बड़े और बुजुर्ग लोगों में पाया जाता है जिससे कि वो आसानी से पढ़ नहीं पाते हैं. Because the near point becomes more than 25 cm. 25 cm से ज़्यादा हो जाता है. और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia, कि उसको दोनों डिफेक्ट हो, myopia भी हो और hypermetropia भी हो. Such a person often requires bifocal lens. Bifocal lens consists of both concave and convex lens. The upper portion consists of concave lens and it facilitates distant vision. The lower portion, the lower part, is a convex lens and it facilitates near vision. आजकल कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस और सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन से इन डिफेक्ट्स को रिमूव करा जा सकता है. Now some terms which are very important from the exam point of view. First is range of vision. Range of vision is the distance between the far point and the near point of the eye. Far point और near point के बीच का जो distance होता है उसे बोलते हैं range of vision. As you know that the far point is infinity and the near point of eye is 25 cm. So उनके बीच का distance between 25 cm to infinity, that is called the range of vision. Next is accommodation. Accommodation is the ability of eye lens to adjust its focal power, to adjust its focal length by the action of ciliary muscles. Next is power of accommodation. Power of accommodation is the maximum variation in the converging power of eye lens so that the far point and the nearby objects. Persistence of vision. Next we will discuss the previous year questions which have asked in the examination. As you can see that many questions have come from this topic. So this topic is very important from exam point of view. First question is, the human eye can focus objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length of eye lens. This is due to. So the answer is accommodation. Next question, the human eye forms the image of an object at its. So we know the answer is retina. Next question, the least distance of distinct vision for young adult with normal vision is about. So the answer is 25 cm. This we have already discussed. Next question is, the change in the focal length of eye lens is caused by the action of. The answer is ciliary muscles. Next question is, why is a normal eye not able to see clearly the objects placed closer than the 25 cm? So we know that the nearest distance of an object from the retina to form a sharp image is 25 cm. The near point is 25 cm. So we cannot see the objects which are less than 25 cm. So the blurred image of object is formed on the retina. Next question, what happens to the image distance in the eye when we increase the distance of an image of an object from the eye? Answer, the image distance remains the same because the focal length of the eye lens gradually changes to maintain the position of image on the retina. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.